Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Maps, save places and directions step by step clearly. Open Google Maps on your phone, tablet, or computer. If you are on mobile, make sure you have the latest Google Maps app installed from the App Store or Google Play. If you are on a computer, go to Maps, Google.com in your web browser. Look at the top right corner of the screen for the profile icon or the Sign In button. Click or tap Sign In to start the login process. Choose the Google account you want to use, or select Use another account if you do not see yours. Type your Gmail email address and press Next. Type your password carefully and press Next to complete the sign-in. If you are asked for verification, follow the on-screen steps to confirm it is you. After logging in, check that your profile icon appears in the top right corner. To save a place, search for a location in the search bar at the top. Select the correct place from the results to open its details page. Tap or click the Save button on the Place Details page. Choose a list such as Favorites, Want to Go, or Starred Places. If you want a custom list, select New List, name it, and then save the place into it. To view saved places on mobile, tap Saved on the bottom menu. To view saved places on computer, open the left menu and click Your Places, then open Saved. To save directions, first search for your destination and open its details page. Tap or click Directions to open the route planner. Enter your starting point, or choose your location if it is correct. Select your travel mode, such as driving, transit, walking, or cycling. Choose the route you prefer from the suggested options. On mobile, tap the three dots menu and select Add Route to Home Screen, if available for quick access. On mobile, you can also tap Pin or Pin a Trip if Google Maps offers it for your route. On computer, copy the directions link from the address bar to save it in notes or bookmarks. To make sure everything syncs across devices, use the same Google account on all your devices. If your saved items do not appear, check your internet connection and refresh Google Maps. If you ever need to switch accounts, tap your profile icon and choose the account you want to use. Subscribe to the channel and like the video so you do not miss more beginner-friendly Google Maps tutorials. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.